What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be working through how to cut a round pixie haircut. Very excited to bring you guys this full technique. So to start off the sectioning, I take a parting straight down the center. I go all the way down center back to the nape, and then I create two curved line sections right on the top, following that parietal ridge, really following the round of the head, and I clip those two sections forward separately, and we're going to cut into those later. Now the next section comes off a pivot point right in that back crown area down to behind the ear. That's another curved line. I clip that section away, do the same thing on the right side and clip that one away as well. And that's the basic sectioning of this entire cut. So just making sure I keep everything nice and clean and organized, and we're gonna work our way through each of those sections as we go. All right, so now we're gonna start straight down center back, draw a vertical line, separate those two into two different halves, and then I'm gonna start working diagonal forward and just keep working with the head shape. So you'll see nice small sections. Make sure you keep those sections small, because the larger the section, the more you'll tend to get lost and the more over direction you create within the cut. So small sections straight out from the head, then I take another slight diagonal forward parting. That's also gonna come straight out from the head. This is going to be a traveling guide. We're cutting a round shape, so my fingers must travel with the head shape as I go. That's what creates those round lines in a horizontal plane. So just working through. Now also look at my finger angle. It's basically straight out from the head. We're not building up a ton of weight in the back. I want it to be a nice seamless feel. So we're coming about 90 degrees straight out from the head as we work. That 90 degrees will turn into a lower elevation as we work up the head shape. So we'll start to build a weight line. You can see kind of that tip of my fingers there where my finger is further away from the head. So we're creating extra length towards the top, but then still keeping it that 90 degrees as we work our way down. So now I'm going to continue working through this side, all the way through this panel, bringing everything out, straight out to me, traveling guide, working all the way through. Let's go. All right, so now we're gonna move into panel number 2. One thing I want you guys to really focus on is how low the elevation is towards the tip of my finger. Look at that elevation. That hair is actually coming out of the high point of the head or the midpoint of the crown. So it's much lower than the rest of these sections. So you can see that natural shape starting to build, that natural weight line working through it. I think this is one of the key things